Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Soheb and you are watching Digital Soheb. In this video, I'm gonna review one tool that will help you to improve your graphic designing skills and also will help you to generate content creation with AI feature. So watch this video till the end so that you can get a clear idea about this tool, how you can use it and how this tool is helpful for you and what are the competitors of this tool and how is best and how is worst. All things we will cover in this video. Okay. The tool name is Simplified. Simplified is a tool where you can create graphic designs and as well as you can create AI content. You can generate content for your social media, for your ads, for your blog, for your article, many more things you can do here. And this tool is new in this market and in initial stage they have less features, but in the future you will see many more features in this tool. Without getting any delay, let's jump into it and how you can use it we will talk about. Okay, first of all we will talk about competitors of this tool. Are you aware about Canva, Trello? Many more tools are available in the market where you can generate your graphics effectively, and they have an paid plans and free plan, both of them. But if you are in free plan on Canva and Trello, so if you will upgrade their plans, so you have to pay monthly basis, right? On a recurring basis you have to renew your package, so then you will be able to access their pro features. What is the best in this tool? You can access this tool for lifetime. Yeah, right, you can access this tool for lifetime. And how you can grab this tool for lifetime? They have very good amazing pro features and you can use for your purpose, what you want to create and what is your expectations from graphic design tools. So I think this tool will be helpful for you. So first of all I'll tell you about lifetime deal. If you want to grab this tool for lifetime, so you can purchase this tool from AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo Marketplace is a platform where you can purchase all digital products with lifetime deals, right? And also it will give you 10% off on your first payment. If you will make first payment in this platform, so you will get 10% discount also. Whatever the tool you want, you can purchase from here. Okay, so right now in this video we are talking about Simplified. So if you want to grab Simplified, so starting price is $79, so you can grab this tool at just $79, okay, for lifetime. And all the details they have mentioned about this tool, you can read that details and you can get better knowledge about this tool, how you can use it, what the features are in this tool, many more things. If you talk about plan and features, so they also have mentioned about this tool all the features. Lifetime access you will get, all features, simplified business plan update, no codes, no staking, just choose the plan that right for you. Okay, and one more best thing, they are also giving you 60 days money back guarantee no matter the reason. If you are not satisfied with this tool, so you can get back your refund, right? And they are giving you two best features in this tool. One, graphic designing, and second, you can create AI content, right? So they have three license tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So if you want to choose for one time deal $79, so one editor seat you will get, and unlimited guest for collaboration, 50,000 total AI writing words per month you will get. Okay, and as well as 30 plus AI copywriting templates, 25 total BG removal credits per month, and 25 GB total storage you will get for this tool. And if you will go with license tier 2, so you have to pay $159 for one time, you will get all these features. And if you will go with license tier 3, so you will get this tool only in just $299 and you have 6 editor seat and also all these features you will get for this tool, right? So you can grab it from here. I'll give you a link in my video description. The link will be my affiliate link. If you will buy this tool, so I'll get some commission out of your purchase. It will not cost you more than this price, but will help me to improve my channel performance and my content performance. That was the all details about lifetime deal. You can buy it. So now without getting any delay, let's check all the features of this tool. First of all, you have to create your account, then your account will be created. So you will see like that dashboard in your Simplified app. Okay, so in this dashboard is already same like Canva and Trello. You can create your all designs. If you want to create your design, so just you have to click on templates and here you can search for templates. You can create Zoom virtual background, LinkedIn copy covers, Facebook feed ad, Instagram post, Twitter ads, LinkedIn, Skype papers, Medium rectangle, Shopify app, feature banners, Tumblr, email headers, Facebook, Carousel, Facebook post, Tumblr banner, YouTube thumbnail, leaderboard, blog post, many more things you can do as you are doing on other platform like Canva and Trello. Okay, so in this video I'll just create one YouTube thumbnail for my this video so that you can get idea about this dashboard, how you can use this tool artboard. Okay, so just I have created, so you have already ready-made templates are available, you can use any of them. And if you want to create from the scratch, so create your thumbnail, just you have to click, and when you will click on that, so whenever you will be enter in the artboard, so what you have to do, just you have to pick your templates, your assets. Okay, in your assets you can upload your own images, all pngs. Okay, if you have any other logos that I have created my assets, so you can create also. Okay, like that you can do. And all the options you can see in this artboard: delete, clone image, set background. If you want to remove any of the image backgrounds, you can remove as well here. Okay, and you can crop and clip, replace image, you can apply filters, animate, and as well as order, assign, many more things you can do here. So what I will do, okay, so now what you have to do, I'll just take some text, I'll add heading, you can increase the size, and you can write about simplified review. And one more heading, create your best graphics and AI content, right? So now I'll drag this left side, and okay, so if you want to change the background in this thumbnail, so you can change as well. Okay, but right now I'm not changing any background, just I'm showing you for a demo purpose. We can change the background will be okay, you can change like if you want to do something creative, so you can create. Okay, so background is changed. Now I want this text italic shape. Okay, so all these things you can do here like you are doing in your other graphic designing tools which you are using. I don't know what you are using, but still I'm telling you, all of the online tools feature will be same. Some features you will get more, some features in any of the tool you will get less than. But the point is, they are giving you a here what is additional benefit. They are giving you a AI content generator. You can generate AI content for your work. Okay, then whenever you will design your graphic, so simply you can export them. You have to click on right corner export. You can select your file png, jpg, video, svg new in a beta version. Okay, so right now for this thumbnail we will use png, and we will export this. Can you see that file is downloading? Now downloaded my file. Okay, now we can see, yeah, our thumbnail is ready. I know this thumbnail is very simple, but you can create amazing graphic according to your work perspective, right? And if you talk about some more features, so here you will get components. You can use all of these components in this tool, right? And as well as you will get a media folder. Okay, you can use media folder as well, and visuals, and you can use all of these icons like arrows, animals, weather, buildings, fashion, nature, networking. All of these you can use. So the graphic designing part is completed. Now we will talk about AI content creation feature. So just go to dashboard, and now you have to click on AI assistant. When you will be click on AI assistant, so you will see many of the options: e-commerce, social media, ads, blogging, sales, marketing, product and brand, all designer, video, SEO. For all your work you can create AI content. Like if you want to do a AIDA framework, so you can create as well. Just you have to click on that. You have to mention your work here. Work is WordPress website design course. Now you have to written about what product service do you offer. We are giving you a full website designing course without any coding skills. So we have typed all these things. So now you have to click on generate. Can you see this? We have results, AIDA framework, attention, interest. Are you looking for a WordPress website design course? And interest is? If so, then look no further. We are giving away a free course that shows you how to build your first website without coding skills. You can do this by following our easy step-by-step instructions, right? And desire is you will learn how to create beautiful website with WordPress. And the best part is you will not need any coding skill. By the end of the course, you will have built your own real website using our easy to follow lessons. And action is sign up for free today. So this is amazing, right? So as you can create for yourself your own AI content, you can generate more. And if you want to change this, so you can change your templates. You can get blog idea title, blog introduction, blog outline, blog selection completers, blog conclusion paragraphs, AIDA framework, Amazon product listing, many more work you can do here, right? So this tool is, trust me, this tool is really amazing. If you talk about price, so according to price, this tool is worthful. And I'm not forcing to anyone. If you have not liked this tool, so don't buy this tool. So you can just simply sign up yourself and you can take a trial and you can get some information about this tool. This tool will give you amazing results, because in graphic tools you can create only graphics, but in this tool you can create your graphics, and as well as you can create your AI content, right? And in other tools you have to pay monthly basis, but for this tool you have to pay one time and you can use this tool for lifetime. On other tools you have limit, but in this tool you don't have any limit. The all features you can get if you will go with tier 3 plan, so you will get this tool completely. All the features you can access, many more things you can do in this tool. So, and if you have not understand something in this video, because I have an issue with my English, because I'm not fluent in English language as you have seen in entire video how I'm stucking in my video, and not my pronunciation is also not good, but still I'm making this video for this tool because I'm using this tool past 7 to 8 days, and this tool is good according to price. That's why I'm making this video for a review purpose, so that you can get clear idea about this tool. Because if you will listen and you will see in the future for this tool, so you will definitely search in a YouTube, and also you will search in a Google about this tool, so you will get my video like a feedback. If you will go in a Amazon website, so if you will buy any product, so you will check reviews also, right, for that particular product, as I am reviewing this tool. So if you want to buy, so you can buy, and if you want to take education purpose this video so that is good. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you wanted to buy this tool, so you can buy from AppSumo Marketplace. I have mentioned my affiliate link in my video descriptions. You can go through this link, so you will be automatically redirect on that landing page, and you can buy directly from there. So I'll see you soon in another one. Thanks for watching this. Bye bye, and take care of yourself.